Tarmac Sportz. Today I have a little bit of a gem. We have a Kia Stinger that we're going to be replacing the exhaust system. The vehicle's only done 30 miles from new. It's been traded to us and we're fitting the ARC system, which I'm going to show you as we do it later on through this video. But I think this is a little present for me this week. After Christmas, I've been away on holiday. I get to do something which is rather clean. So, hope you enjoy the video. The replacement centre pipe looks a little bit special, as you can see. You've got these little resonator cans welded into the side. Hopefully this gives a really nice sound. Okay, there we have it. One nice arcing system. Fits really well. No dramas, no problems with this. Really secure. Looks the part. And we just need to call the customer back before we start it. We did say we wouldn't start it until he was here because he's never heard it either. So, time to fire it up.
Go on, Bob, do it again.